From extra fingers to mesmerizing eyes, these stars have some wild features that make them unforgettable. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of celebrities with unique physical traits that set them apart from the rest. These distinctive characteristics not only make them stand out, but also add to their charm and appeal. So, get ready to be amazed by the extraordinary features of some of your favorite stars. Joaquin Phoenix's iconic scar isn't a repaired cleft lip, but a birthmark. This unique feature has become a part of his identity, adding to his rugged and mysterious look. Joaquin was born with this scar, which has been a part of him since birth. It's a reminder that imperfections can be beautiful and make us who we are. Joaquin's scar has not only become a signature part of his appearance, but also a symbol of his resilience and individuality. Kate Bosworth, she rocks heterochromia with one blue and one amber eye. This rare condition gives her a captivating and unforgettable gaze. Kate was born with this condition, which affects the pigmentation of her irises. Her striking eyes have become one of her most defining features, making her stand out in the world of Hollywood. Kate's heterochromia is a perfect example of how unique traits can enhance one's beauty and make them truly one of a kind. Supermodel Karolina Kurkova doesn't have a navel. Surgery as a child left her with a smooth stomach. Karolina was born with an umbilical hernia, which required surgery and resulted in the absence of a navel. Despite this, she has graced countless runways and magazine covers, proving that beauty comes in all forms. Karolina's confidence and success in the modeling industry are a testament to her strength and determination. Her unique feature has not hindered her career, but has instead made her even more remarkable. Winnie Harlow's vitiligo has turned her into a symbol of beauty and confidence. Winnie was diagnosed with vitiligo at the age of 4, a condition characterized by patches of depigmented skin. Her distinctive skin condition has made her a trailblazer in the fashion industry. Winnie has embraced her vitiligo and used it to challenge traditional beauty standards, inspiring countless individuals to love and accept themselves just as they are. And Harry Styles, he's got 4 nipples, proving he's twice as cool. Harry was born with a condition called polythelia, which results in extra nipples. This quirky trait has become a fun fact among his fans, adding to his charm and appeal. Harry's extra nipples are a reminder that our differences make us unique and interesting. He has embraced this unusual feature with confidence, showing that it's okay to be different and that our quirks can make us even more lovable. Seal's prominent facial scarring is a result of a condition called discoid lupus erythematosus. This condition causes severe scarring, particularly on the face. Seal has embraced his scars, which have become a distinctive part of his look and persona. His confidence and success in the music industry are a testament to his talent and resilience. Seal's scars are a powerful reminder that our unique features can become our strengths and make us unforgettable. Megan Fox's toe thumbs, Marty Feldman's bulging eyes, and Amy Purdy's inspiring journey after losing her legs show that uniqueness is their superpower. Megan Fox was born with brachydactyly, a condition that results in shorter than usual thumbs. Marty Feldman had Graves' disease, which caused his eyes to bulge. Amy Purdy lost her legs to bacterial meningitis, but went on to become a Paralympic snowboarder and motivational speaker. These celebrities have embraced their distinctive traits and turned them into strengths. Megan's unusual thumbs, Marty's prominent eyes, and Amy's incredible resilience have all contributed to their success and made them role models for embracing individuality. So, next time you notice a quirky trait, remember, it's what makes them them. These unique features are not flaws, but rather the very things that make these celebrities special and memorable. Embracing our differences and celebrating our individuality is what truly makes us shine. So, let's celebrate the beauty of uniqueness and the power of being ourselves.